Bullish Theta organization. Theta cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.61 and $8.70 by 2030. Market investigators accept Theta could reach $3.58 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.818813. Theta organization. Theta presentation. Theta's local cryptographic money is likewise called Theta. Theta, the symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two sorts of hubs on the Theta organization: ordinary hubs and asset-rich gatekeeper hubs. Normal hubs acquire prizes for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs procure significantly bigger compensations for confirming blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta network. One of the critical elements of the Theta network is its utilization of edge storing. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at an incorporated area. This diminishes inertness and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferred streaming encounter over customary CDNs. One more significant component of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with insignificant effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web clog by dispersing traffic among various ways all the while. How Theta functions. The primary thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video web-based stage like YouTube or Jerk. It's likewise a decentralized organization fueled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share data transfer capacity and registering assets on a P2P premise. At the end of the day, Theta is intended to be a more effective and decentralized approach to web-based video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are essentially PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can diminish idleness and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet chips away at an agreement system that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards, the stage gives top-notch streams low inactivity, and clients can acquire compensations for giving transfer speed assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. The Theta organization vows to alter the manner in which we transfer video by decentralizing information conveyance and offering clients awards for sharing their transmission capacity assets. The local digital money of the organization is Theta token, Theta, which can be utilized to approve exchanges and stake in the organization. I'll see Theta's cost expectations for 2022 and then some. Theta organization is right now worth $1.02 United States dollars. Theta has moved 4.62% as of now with an exchanging volume of $32,711,304. Theta organization is right now position 49 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $1,023,515,740 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness, MACD. From the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization, Theta. To conclude, we either having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Theta organization, Theta, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Theta organization, Theta, value forecast 2023. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. Theta. The Theta cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1.54. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.43 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon, given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.23. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Theta organization, Theta cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.56. notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Theta's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.05 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.25. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.58, and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.28 and a low of $3.07 in 2025. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2026. Assuming Theta organization effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $4.61, with a base cost of $4.09 and a typical cost of $4.30. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.32 by 2027, with a base cost of $5.12 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a greatest value worth of $5.63. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.35. In the event that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.65, neglecting to assemble the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $6.14. Theta organization, Theta, value forecast 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7.16 and a yearly cost close above $7.68 in 2029. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2030. By 2030, Theta organization will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $8.19 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $8.70. Averaging out at $8.39. Theta organization, Theta, value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own exploration. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Theta cost in 2031 is projected to be $10.03 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $9.62. The ongoing Theta organization cost depends on an investigation of different elements, including specialized pointers and late market patterns. In view of our figures, we accept